Hey guys, what's up? And today we will be making a Windows Vista USB. So to get started, you have to open your browser of choice and search for rufus.ie. So we can get started by installing Rufus. Just install that and then open it, and then keep that open for now. And then we also have to install the Windows Vista ISO, which is in the description linked below. Okay, you can also find it on Google. So then after that, insert your USB for the bootable USB. I've inserted mine, and then select your ISO image. I'm just gonna quickly select my ISO image, which is somewhere, oh yeah, over here. And then just don't do anything else, and just make sure it's MBR, because you can't do anything other than MBR, and click start. And now you just gotta wait. Yep, so now that it's done now, so that's done. We've got our bootable Windows Vista USB, and the link for the ISO will be in the description. Just gonna quickly open the USB so you can see. That's our USB with all of the stuff. You can just plug that into a laptop, and that's good to go. Thanks for watching.